Hello guys, welcome to the part 2 of the video. I just had to make some of the adjustments right here where the stick RAM was placed in the first time. Right here it had some of the dust, and the memory had dust among the chips, and also had some marks on it. I don't know, they were white ones, so I had to use my brush to clean inside here. And I moved from the first slot to the third slot right here, and also the AGP slot had some problem. I find some of the debris, some of the sand or something inside right here, and the computer couldn't boot. I guess this motherboard was held somewhere on the shelf or in the shed. I'm not sure exactly. So I managed to boot. I managed to make it work, and right now it actually works. I just want to point out something, that if you short out these two pins right here, the computer will start. But if you start the button for the power supply, the computer will turn on. So let's go do that right now. Okay. Okay, so we have a signal. And now let's check. Okay, so we have the MS6309, we have the Pentium 3 running at the frequency 933. The frontside bus is 133 by 7.0. This is the multiplier. The 128 gigabytes SD RAM. Of course, is showing here that the CMOS battery has to be replaced. So let's go into the BIOS, see what kind of options we have. So we're having on the standard CMOS feature. We have. Let's start with the first. Okay, so here we have the ID primary master, the primary slave, the 1x44M 2.5 inch. The next thing is the advanced BIOS, the antivirus protection, CPU, internal cache, pardon. Okay. The advanced chipset, the DRAM clock. Here we can adjust some of the settings that we want. The AGP texture size 128. The AGP 4X mode right now. This motherboard also supports 2X video cards if you have from the AGP 2X. The integrated peripherals. We have the on-chip IDE channel, the UDMA we can set from here or disable depending on what we want to use. The power management, we have the disabled and the power management. Here we can switch the LED in suspend mode on signal, wake up events. Here we can use the off or on for the VGA. PNP OS. The temps for the processor is 26 degrees and 78 Fahrenheit, and for the current system, the motherboard, I believe, is 22 degrees. These are the voltages. The core of the voltages for the CPU is 2.5. No, 1.7 for the V core for the CPU. Pardon, I made a mistake. Sorry. And here we can adjust the frequency of the CPU. If you want to overclock, we can do that. Here we can set the vCore and the CPU clock ratio, so we can increase from here if you want. And let's go save and exit. Okay, we have the maxed out our personal computer for the screen, and yeah. Okay, I'm going to find the proper hard drive for this kind of build, and I'm going to install the Windows 98 Second Edition or Windows 2000, depending on what kind of software that I have that it actually works. But I know very good that this particular Pentium 3 works very good with Windows XP. And see from there how application running. Of course, I'm going to add the sound card here on the PCI standards, and see how we actually perform in games and other application, of course, definitely. Okay, thank you for watching, and please subscribe. Bye.